For as long as humanity has been on this planet, there's been a need for us to exchange things of value. The risk and uncertainty that sometimes occurs has us continuously inventing new ways to lower uncertainty so we can engage in trade. Yet that has become increasingly difficult as our societies have grown more complex and our global reach expanded. A new technological institution is here to fix this problem. It's called blockchain. Blockchain technology stands to revolutionize how we interact with each other. It drastically reduces costly and time-consuming processes, diminishing opportunities for corruption and error. So what exactly is blockchain? Blockchain technology is a decentralized database that stores a registry of assets and transactions across a peer-to-peer network. It's a public registry of who owns what and who transacts what. It can be programmed to record and track anything of value, from financial transactions to medical records, or, as we will describe in this video, land titles. Now let's discuss the benefits of blockchain. First, the way blockchain tracks and stores data is transparent. Blockchain stores information in batches called blocks that are cryptographically linked together in a chronological fashion to form a continuous line, metaphorically, a chain of blocks. This creates an unchanging, unforgettable record of all the transactions across this network. This record is replicated on every computer that uses the network. If you make a change in the information recorded in a particular block, you do not rewrite it. Instead, the change is stored in a new block, showing that X changed to Y at a particular date and time. It's a transparent and non-destructive way to track data changes over time. Let's apply this to an actual example. Imagine there's a dispute between a woman named Mariam and her brother Glenn over who owns a piece of land that's been in the family for years. Because blockchain technology uses the ledger method, there's an entry in the ledger showing that Adam first owned the property in 1900. Adam sold the property to Dave in 1930, and a new entry was made in the ledger. On every change of ownership, a new entry in the ledger is made right until Mariam inherited it from their father in 2007. Mariam is the current owner, and we can see that history in the ledger. Second, decentralized data reduces margin for intentional and unintentional tampering. Unlike a book or database filed on a single system, blockchain was designed to be decentralized and distributed across a large network of computers, making it data resilient. This decentralizing of information reduces the ability for data tampering, or simply human error. Third, the network verification method creates trust in the data. Before a block can be added to a chain, a cryptographic formula must be solved, thus creating the block. The computer that solves the formula shares the solution to all of the other computers on the network. The network will then verify this, and if correct, the block will be added to the chain. The combination of these complex cryptographic formulas and verification by many computers ensures that we can trust each and every block on the chain because the network does the trust building for us. Fourth, blockchain removes time-consuming intermediaries. Currently, when doing business with one another, we do not show the other person our financial or business records. Instead, we rely on trusted intermediaries, such as banks or a lawyer, to view our records and keep that information confidential. This approach adds another step to the exchange, which means more time and money spent. Blockchain gives us the technological capability of creating a record of human exchange by converting a lot of our uncertainties into certainties. It is a combination of all these factors: transparency, decentralizing of the data, building trust in the data, and allowing us to interact directly with one another and the data. That gives blockchain technology the potential to underpin many of the ways we interact with one another and to revolutionize the future. This type of trusted peer-to-peer interaction with our data will transform the way we access, verify, and transact with one another.